searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Hi guys, good day again. It's me, kuya Junn of Lakbay Cebu, and with my partner Ivy.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. And now we're going to Cascades Nature Park, Compostela, Cebu. So tara, let's go! After 1 hour travel from the city, nakarating na rin tayo sa Cascades Nature Park. So tara, pasok na tayo! Cascades Nature Park is located at St. Francis Subdivision, Barangay Magay, Compostela, Cebu. At pagkatapos nating mag-registered at magbayad ng entrance, tuloy na po tayo. Excited! Ang entrance fees po nila for the adult is 200 pesos only. Sa bata naman po, 3 to 12 years old, 160 pesos. And 2 years old below is free. Cottages po nila, poolside and lakeside casita type, 500 pesos for 6 persons. Cabana type, 1,000 pesos for 10 persons. And they have also shade tent for 250 pesos only.
Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Sa amenities po nila, pwede kayong magsawang magtampisaw sa laki ng swimming pool nila. And sa big lake naman po nila, pwede kayong magkayak, paddleboard, pedal boat, and you can do also fishing. Pwede kayong mamingwit ng tilapia. Ang saya! At sa gitna pa ng lake, may maliit na island. Ang ganda! At ang Cascades Nature Park ay nakikita din po sila ng wedding receptions, team buildings, debutant at pre-na photoshoots, at marami pang iba. About sa food naman po, as of now, wala pa po silang restaurant. So it's better, magdala na lang po tayo ng pagkain natin. Be responsible lang po tayo sa garbage natin. Kumbaga, be responsible agad. Diba? Hi guys, tapos na po yung adventure natin sa Cascades Nature Park. And sa gustong pupunta doon, again, don't hesitate to contact me. I can bring you there with some amazing photos and cinematic videos for free. Ako na po yung bahala sa inyo mag-picture doon. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please click like, subscribe,
ang notification button bell para po updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. And thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Love you all guys. Bye. Ingat.